Hey guys, it's Sue. Welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you're here. I'm going to be making something today that I've been wanting to make all summer. Homemade popsicles. We're going to be making 3 kinds of popsicles today. We're going to be making a really healthy strawberry banana with no added sugar. And the next one we're going to be making is peaches and cream. We're going to be using fresh frozen peaches and we're going to be using coconut milk for our cream. So this is dairy-free. Last but not least, we're going to be making a decadent FUDGESICLE. This is also made with coconut milk, so this is dairy-free as well. I'm going to be testing out my brand new silicone mold for my popsicles today. We're going to see how well this works. Supposedly the silicone works easier because you can kind of tug at it, pull it away from the frozen popsicle, so it releases a lot easier. So wish me luck. As you can see, this mold did not work as well as I was hoping. A few of the popsicles would not come out no matter what I did. I think eventually they just got tired and gave up. I will be using this again. The popsicles were amazing. Thanks for watching.